de do so no se de mbon krata no aba nseme wo mu any online stories no ebraso se ma me kira diamond o man hene kwabna sante wo mo so e de eto so adofo me ma mo akwaba
ye nua
e bibia boko
Awurade Adom so no fiefo e
Yankopon Adom
bibia je boko na wo asofo amu no omo die ne se ye hwe na omo behwe bi ni ene ma bi atutoto esi wo
ana osofo do onye nipa
ene wanu idi aba no pay se asema make o mani isi kra oji akoma sofo se sofo de onye nipa na we de se asema make mama no kra isi na hu asempot ya make
na se si ade wa kan wi
mo to odmo je nso
wa ma adwuma na mbwa
Oh, right, Jacobo. Oh, da hima for me, Rumpa. Me bo bi a chef ya ba kwa gina nyina na mama wakwa baba. Eh Badwam on Adom TV, djubedi kese ye di no se da ase. Bibia da de kan se da ase pa se won kan ho bia enwie peyo ana intimi ndi mu so wie ema bibia ya kama. Ti bibia da wada age na wode hwe na wode ti na wo sa de comment no bro adwene ntiase so tie dase dawase a ensa adopai nye nkwan de wo hanum se ye nuanom so wo ha wona de camera esi so wona ahihye nkanea wona asisi ame atenase wono so a ehye akire wonom so a owo chinchim fidie no ye nuama so mo sisi anim kama adraba fo a ekofa e ba enti se anyum dipakuo nyina kafu a ana esi Badwam team ana de bro ene anopai 27th of September 2022 it has said that the match free service copy say non krobo a collective responsibility say you na ebetimi adwena o my Ghana wa amna dum pempen so a ese edu the alternative free sembe bro the online stories so beto aso the amount na afi akwago kensim the fisem ne pensem enso the asoso the amount mo fa nchemi ebe wakakra bi but Welbeck Kofi Ampedu ne dofo dwuma watworo se mentoma no ana ene moma sima baako na medidi sa adwuma no. It's a happy birthday message free Welbeck Kofi Ampedu. Say Fanta, you are simply one in a million, a friend who sticks so close that you wonder how people can be this good. I am privileged to know you and a blessing to love you. I have spent many days with you, sleeping on same bed, using even your towel, using some same deodorant and perfume with you, living in same room, listening to you and learning from you in many ways. Your heart of service sets you apart and your love for humanity is uncommon. I don't know who can compare to you as a friend in my life. You are just simply a blessing. Bro, I appreciate you for your goodness and I pray you will be celebrated daily till the day your mission is accomplished and you are crowned the blessed of God. Happy birthday to the brother of my spiritual father, Prophet Victor Kusi-Boateng, Minister George Saki, soon to be Pastor George Saki. And I'm going crazy. So love you so much, bro. This is from Welbeck Kofi Ampedu. Nam fi say or drop or your project work na thesis no dia bana. We have to go through. Actually dosrum kwa or ma software and they yami atmosphere nche ye share software. So Victor Kusi-Boateng unua ana Ampedu abona baso sa no. Nti happy birthday and comma Saki. Happy birthday Sunko. When we say enzyme so
that's all
Fanta. See the didn't the Fanta, but I'm say the Dian Kasam. Yeah. The Fanta. Fanta.
Na Fanta said do the birthday, then I say the Fanta supply or who
enzymes will be that can also okay. Pay for the billion so we footballer so happy birthday. It's your birthday. Let's see how do I to the bucket Eddie bro. It's immediately say why crowd and no them who so for Israel full name. I mean to more the source Israel Kofi the sa wow. Sa yo. Eh right there. Sa yo. So yo. Sa we yo. Se What your E didn't you know whichever way. There was S and a Y equator. Beat me carrying out. If you are to find a good and they make in our stream, but we are making some Obomodia Budini. D. And some of the anymore, almost again, tribal and politics.
And one hour.
Ever sentiment to DC.
And one.
If it's a madam for almost a Fantini. Oh, then send it. Yeah, Baha, it's in Benya baby Jina. Also, Coho, it's in Quena baby Jina. And he said, and cranny Piewa Hafu. No, bet me as a half a shebra. And confirm cranny. A shebre and also summer half. So, Funiko Pie of Framantema. No, bet me cra or shebra sana. A Ghana back open years. So, calculations no. And Ghana and Intim and continental London. No, Enquire Bank of Ghana governor or UK. Timesro, baby will be a PBR, the hand and look with you now, Brassier, any need any bois or the man she share what's our baby our period. That's the most important thing. It is I believe a PR for, even though the Ebema Macha Ben and Mono, a fetri dicino, and non treasure with the fetri dicino we are, only to be ma from Puntu in Conkai. If you go fetri dicino, the Omoyans with the Omaja of going out now, because more a spectacle. Timesamo calculations where the moon free amanusim. Moon film behind the scenes in Komokwa are fine. But our calculations really a pie of my moon. And Frank Kabuma, a massa out donor, a dim punto bano, a man into me in ho. And sometimes you're not careful, yes, and show for the overflow. This influential paper, you know, the church will say, Missia, and you're healthy. Or mine, a lot of challenges. And yes, I know my we can't see a dwelling on. This is just not it. You know, very irrelevant. Or you could have chosen a better headline than this headliner, a better insight, suiting individual interest. It's bigger. Ghana is bigger than Oman, and Ghana is bigger than you. Wow, the answer first the interest of Ghana, and some about other interests is very bit yourself. You know.
Amanya samba na ye hu baby esti an ye chimhwe because in Ghana ha no kra no ye woni pa bi a omafi from mantem akodi dibia o asantementem mo poye mantem o mbo modern
President Ron is already from crazy of the sir when that minister who free TV mantem go ye wo baby
sir iti we kra de efiri hi na beto
security no kra police
we nam ha yeah
and ye na your mind ba ko ye ni chichemu na ye hu kra ni ye se ni ko pio
we discourage sadie
so crumpet na we binka the fact that the combedo nam kra obedi oye okrum ni no kra no yes amunya we emfa hemre ye nkan konte but eno na waka no enti eno ye chronicle na sem kese a obo ho de ro ha na we so ya sem kese pa na semre bia me kopie ahantamemu no eno so me kote ho asem ne wo mo he kese bia emre bi abrofutwa ne ti de koye no etire na bedro na entumi medru ahantamemu yabakosem kese pa na etire ne da hai na ma yes etire no eda 37 cca over 100 years ago omo twa etire no eda so tede ete abakosem kese pa se ne be ye be kwakoka ahantafo no nsa no eno ho asem na chronicle ede opani ti abeto hunting a hunter families fight over severed head of Bedu Bonsu. Enti eno ho asem eda ha. Yes, e dia adane pa well, enti eno ho asem no do aja ho calls for inclusive review of free SHS. Enti free SHS don sakraya bebem penifo binum ede wano atutuma can speaker of parliament do aja ho enso de na no atumu binti chronicle ensem no binono.
So Daily Guide quickly, or say Ghana IMF negotiate bailout and EC pledges ID cards for qualified voters. Big one. NDC sponsored evil GS at Nana, MPP. Badwam has not ditched GB and government bridging development gaps. Dr. Baumia and I can say Daily Graphic is so about Save Fishing Industry Association calls for strong policy on foreign fishers. And the UN pledges $260 million support for SDGs, Agenda 2063, and IMF Ghana confer on economy. And the big one, government committed to minority rights. AG Anna Akasei, our daily graphic anymore. The finder say record 118 health projects executed, 82 completed in northern region since 2017. Regional Minister Anna Akasei. Yoko working to retrieve misappropriated cash in Auditor General's report. Yamamiti Wanso Akasa. Anna GRA grabs 4 shops not issuing VAT receipts. GRA, any more my VAT receipt. Baby, one can be issue VAT receipt. First also enough if you have online stores.
They kind and no one see a semtitira a Ghanaian Times so the na de in a one more human your modian de one more mudin. Although the identities of the persons were not disclosed, but humani momuno and omubo di humani bine Chanway Company Limited, Selena Bags Shop, Zebras Motors Limited, and a Black Park Company Limited. Not just omuno jiavat inti omako tutum. And the Mapenia be 22 kilometers Cape Coast Inner City Roads. I non so no wakakopa hon to ma omoba beye omo kwan ama.
Efiama Nkwata Maklo Global Citizen Festival NDC behind the Kufuado's heckling MPP Neke.
No. Where you adomonline.com. Ne sembia anopa yo kɔ hɔ no ma obehunti mfoni da ya hwan. Okay, nti bia ubeti ase na afi wo hunu ni ye. Ye de ba ensem foforo mu nso a ade hye ya wo mo adwuma ko ɔkyeso. Ai wo mani age papa ito kɛsie bia no wɔtete kroma ene kromafo nyina no ne wo matumi ekuno. Nti wo ready wo bie na wo ready kwase a afi ubeti ase ye. Na afi COVID-19 enu ahodo eba bi eye Pfizer. Na beto dwasa pani kwankyerefo no a wode eba ye no wasaya tested positive COVID-19 we kan wane second time ni a wodo enya no health ho enkomo no nti ne kasa osafo nsa ne ho yaye nti no obeno no Pfizer na bia na ne ho atumi aye ne den adomonline.com ne de ya wo mo de aba enono Moses Foundation confers Generational Leadership Legend 2022 to Living Legend Award on Sam Jonah. Ne dear also local news no so dear a day abeni GFA class air on soldier who stole 23,000 Ghana cedi. And also Adom Kasia yes omuri statement about no krebi anim say yes ni pano konye soja ni and na washa da kwhye wo monta de ni bintina soja fo ni abre no se ne yehu sa wo hyehyɛ omo ntade ni bidia waso be hye fise bi mu de wondin edi bone memra myjoyonline.com say establish a debt limit in the constitution to control borrowing Dr. Etuahene bosia bo bebrebe say yenya limit wo ho se be ya bosia bo nso ebeba form consensus building is needed at this point se tepe on Ghana's IMF negotiation. Nedia would also a day abba and on also a J against our side and a dear release incarcerated release incarcerated KNUSC students Katanga Hall Alumni Association for Omodia one so a day atuja and no myjoyonline.com the DNA election 2024 if electorates are failing try illiterates when we kumjaja the kumjaja dia wono so e de aba eno if literates are failing try illiterates ne dia ode ba no wo mo enim de ni faili dia wo mo enim no eno ho amu na enum no ti kumjaja eno no so de ama eno no government begins second phase of discussions with IMF ono so ne de said the bonkrata ne bi de abano I will choose Mahama over Akufo-Addo Kumchacha ne de a wode ato edwa enso eno no myjoyonline.com eno no eyon enti stand up so de msefa ayi global citizen festival ne koso no ehu myjoyonline.com adofo bibi wo bie mu ana ne ne yemfa
onipa ya ode chronicle quotation ne ba no menim nipa kon de but me chia no oma me hu no so anka mani beje fi se wo hwe atrosem no ote ase yie pa wo hu de na wo church mu fa tribal politics no so wo hwe quotation na no de bae na 1 Peter 4:8 no o say na ne titiru no mumfa odo a emu ye den no do mo ho efri se odo kata bone pii so nti so obi fifra mantem no kosire mu so obi fi hin no ko hin o so odo no ne no kredi o ho no onimadwuma no a so ho we free ha no fa ampesie bi a mesi obi a table so no pay mani ni nipa kwa chronicle no me chia no pa
for no who say em say o major headlines bi a no
mo quotation just a trust em no mo sua pa nti asem bi e beba bia no omunya ho quotation de nipa kwa me chia no pa Sasa nipa konkura no wo kira de wo theological bi o enso obi ekọ hwa kosua sofodie enso de nsɛmɔnen oh
serious
well eti ena ye 1 Peter 4:8 onso ko kan na fa ye wade na asɛm fa na asɛm
Peter ngoma edi kan eche na
teacher mu oche
ana enwotwe
ne du wo
radio asini
da o mai
radio
pato koto dwem
amen
da benjamin ya da se papa me nyina do so na Adom kase ene da bonkrata de online stories anopay no aha na bema kwan ne de asia gudie mu nsam ayekra do professor Yike wala se ba ene Ghana ejina kono mu mai mu nhye na mu sokra mu ha ni
Nicaragua de zo mu share de rezi ebeda
but sa na mu ko ene de mu try what ene de mu pepa ayi Brazil for de enu mu na mu hye we enu monyam na afi asomo nyu ye na mu ha adwene enti agudie beba na afi afisem pensem mu beba afidie nenum ejina ho 24/7 ti mafidie ne na ha ami sha so agye breshe ye kwa ba wala etwa so